welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, welcome to this family. Welcome. Please subscribe, press the subscribe button so you can watch everything that I'm gonna be publishing on this channel. So thank you again for giving me your time, and thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. So this is a video about my first day in orientation in my graduate program. So people doesn't know I'm a nurse. I have my BSN. I had it 3 years ago, so now I'm gonna go back to school to become a doctor in nurse practitioner. Yeah. So I'm very excited and very anxious and very scared, but you know, I have to stay positive. So here's some clips on my day. So I hope you like it. Oh my God, look at me already. It's my first day in orientation and I'm scared as fuck. I'm so scared, but I know God got my back, so I shall not fear nothing. So sleepy right now, it's not even funny. I can do sitting and people keep talking and talking, but I'm not gym. So we at lunch now, so I'm buying my gym because I'm tired already. So today, it was my first day orientation for the family nurse practitioner to doctorate nurse practitioner. Oh my God, I am just like, I'm not scared. Actually, I was more anxious before, but now you know, I was just so annoyed today because, you know, they just make you sit down and talk. It was an orientation and I'm fine, but they were just telling us about the program, the classes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to go. It's another 4 years, so I'm gonna do 2 years for my FNP, but I can do the FNP in 1 year if I want to, but it's very intense. You can just say I'm ready full time, but thinking about it, back up was this. You know, I have Layla. So I'm gonna go semi full time where I take 2 classes every semester. Even summertime, I will have no break for 2 years, and Then I'm gonna take the state board for the FNP. So now when I pass the FNP, I'm just not gonna stop. This is the good thing when you do post BSN to the DNP. It's like a straight ride. You don't have to go back to school after 4 years, which I love. Because people gotta go back to school. Like, I feel like bon l'âge arrivé, you know, you should be done with school. That's me. Ça fait même pas toute vie je suis assez bonne école. Okay, so I'm doing the FNP to the DNP, just get my doctorate. I'll become a doctor, and yeah, I mean, if I come to education, so I feel like continuous. You know what I mean? M'a toujours come see do some classes if I want to, but Bobby isn't go like intense studying, intense. You know, at 40 years old, I just want to do things at my leisure. You know what I mean? And I think I got to that point. That's why I pick up the DNP program instead of just the FNP, because FNP at Timon, I'm 28, so I'm pretty sure I have another 40 years in nursing. So dans 40 ans, nursing va changer vraiment en pile. So kounya la yo mando pour des BSN. Tout côté for your bachelor in nursing, because that's the thing. In 5 years, I'm pretty sure they're gonna ask you for your masters. You need to get a master, you need to get your nurse practitioner, right? Après ça, maybe in another 10 years, you want to do for your doctorate. So ça veut dire que pour ma payer dans 10 ans, pour aller dans 5 ans, pour ma non, fini. DNP, this is the highest degree you can get in nursing. I'm just getting the highest degree, because listen guys, sky is the freaking limit. Sky is the limit. Okay, 4 years. So I need your prayers. I need a lot of encouragement, a lot of support. It's gonna be a long ride, but I'm excited about it. It's doable, because I keep telling myself, si un tel ka fait, il faut s'appuyer. Ok, si vous voulez pas aller dans le nursing, si vous voulez nurse, vous pouvez nurse. Pas gagner en plus de vous. Vous comprenez? So si vous pouvez faire, vous pouvez faire. Vous pouvez pas être nurse, vous pensez, oh, il y a un qui nurse, mes amis, oh, mon fils a nurse, pour me faire nurse, ça, il me faire nurse. C'est comme ça vous dites tout. Si même si vous faites tout le monde, I bet you can do it too. Pas gagner un avantage en plus que vous. You know, that's how you have to see it. So, I'm going to say, I'm going to do FNP, I'm going to do DNP. I don't question myself. And I'm saying, no, so I'm going to go for it. Alright, I know it's going to be hard, but because you know God is the number one. You always put God in everything you do, everything what entreprendre dans la vie, vous mettez mon Dieu avant. Mon Dieu devant, je suis derrière. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I just got home and I'm very tired for the day, so let me just make that quick video about it. So yeah, it's an intense program, because it's like doctorate. I have to do research, I have to do a presentation to get my degree, but one step at a time. I do one class at a time, you know. It's not that well. Faire un petit bagage at a time, un petit bagage jusqu'à ce qu'on arrive côté où on veut. Pas va être ce problème. Mettez mon Dieu devant. Tout le monde, you'll be surprised. God is amazing. God always has your back. Mettez ça en tête. Moi, ça mettez en tête. So right now, même si je can battre mon petit j'en peux, but at the same time, on connaît God got me. So, merci parce que c'est bon ça qui est plus important dans vous, ça qui est plus précieux dans vous, qui c'est temps, parce que vous regardez les vidéos ça avec moi. So, merci pour tout le support, merci pour tout l'encouragement, et d'après une prochaine fois dans l'autre vidéo. So don't forget to subscribe and share the video and share my channel with family and friends. So, à bientôt. Bye bye.